Hey, let's go over how to draw Voldemore. It's going to be just the face, very simple, easy, relatively for beginners. So we're going to go step by step by step, 8 minutes. Let's get started, okay? I'm going to go right here and I'm going to start immediately right into the eyes. Obviously from Harry Potter, I don't need to say that. Line over here, line over here. Putting these two dashes of lines kind of for that brows, the kind of middle part of the brows. Line out. Down, out, down. All right, curve in right here for kind of the inner eye over there, kind of the bag under the eye. Curve over here. Line right here for kind of closer in for the inner eye. Gonna fill this in. Gonna put a dark area right here, kind of toward the center of the eye area. Okay. Curve right here for the pupil and iris. Line over here. Curve. Line over here. Kind of drawing a dot right there for the highlighter, the center, right? And right now I'm just using these dashes, right? You can do this on anything. You can do this in pen, pencil, it doesn't matter what you use. Don't forget, by the way, if you're learning how to draw, hit the subscribe button. I post kind of horror villains, I post a lot of monsters and kind of that themed stuff on this channel every single day through the year, okay? So hit that subscribe, and Halloween's around the corner as well. So hit that subscribe and click that bell notification. It's really gonna matter, okay? Curve. That is if the stuff I do here is worth your time. Right here we go over like other underneath the eyelid right there. Let's go over here to the nose, which is the most important part. For the most part, he's missing his nose, so it's gonna be like just a line right there on this side. Go over here on this side. Line right there. Gonna go over here to the mouth. Okay, so around the mouth area, it's gonna be pretty low too. Curve right here. Hey, that's the mouth area. Up just a bit. I want him kind of snarling. Line, down, line underneath here, and I'm gonna curve it a bit right there, like so. Gonna draw the part in the teeth, and he has slightly sharp teeth, nothing too wild, but kind of that zigzag shape. Gonna go over here to the side of the head, curve and pull in just a bit for the brow, curve and pull in just a bit. Pulling up over here for kind of the side of his forehead, side of the temple. Line over here, side of the temple. And I'm gonna continue by drawing his bald head. I'm gonna curve right here, curve around here. Okay. Go over here, cheekbone. Just a slight cheekbone, same thing over here. Pull down, slight cheekbone, pull down. Angle, over here, angle. Curve underneath, and then over here. Right on, let's go over here, the ear, curve, down, curve. It looks like an 8 shape. Curve, down, curve. Think of like the letter, I don't know, like an O, maybe a squished O. Line right here for the lobe, curve. Line here for the lobe, curve. Line underneath. Up. Line over here. Angle maybe, kind of make it like the furrowing, kind of angry there, right? Just a bit. Curve line over here, just kind of for the side of the head. And I'm gonna pull a line down here for the neck. Maybe a little curve for the Adam's apple here, down. And I'm gonna curve across the neck over here, out, down, out, and down. Right on. Now, to be honest, you can just kind of keep drawing like detail, maybe like curve lining for the lip area, curve line here for like the lower chin area. Curve over here. Down right here for the bridge of the nose. Everything is going to be subtle because he's like bald and has like no nose. So everything's going to be relatively subtle, so I can curve underneath here. Right? You can draw like maybe more of the eye right here, maybe more angry right there. Again, it's kind of up to you. Curve right here, curve right here. Line, line, pulling in, out right here, out right here. A lot of it is just gonna be thin lines now, to be honest. And if you really want to do that, as far as this vignette goes, you can fill this in dark. Again, if you have a pencil, it's gonna be a lot easier because you can just kind of fill in, you know, with the side of the pencil, right? It's a lot. I think it's a lot easier in pencil, personally. If you want to see anybody else from Harry Potter, let me know. You gotta like let me know who you want to see, and I will totally make it happen. Don't forget, by the way, hit the like button if you can hear my voice right now. If you stayed this long, hit that like. That is really, really cool that you stayed this long. And another thing is, if you can please say, I'm gonna put a little bit more, you know, crunchiness in the brow right here. I also want you to say hi to me in the comment section. If you say hi, I'll know that you stuck around. I'll be like, oh cool, you stuck around this long. If you can hear my voice right now, say hi and hit that like button, okay? Do both if you can. Thank you so much. I will see you next time. A couple of announcements. If you want to learn how to draw in general, like I teach you how to draw faces in general, all faces, from any, and basically anything. There's a masterclass I have on the Gumroad. Go check out that Gumroad link I put in the description. There's a masterclass on how to draw a human head, and you can draw pretty much any character you ever wanted, honestly, with that class. So go check that out. Thank you so much. I appreciate all the good vibes that you guys give me. I want you to stay positive, and I want you to practice, okay? And the more practice, the better you get. Thank you so much. I appreciate all your love. You guys are amazing. Like I said, reach out to me if you have any issues with drawing, and I'll help you. Talk to you next time. See you later, artists. Hey, for those of you that are a little bit more serious and you really want to kind of upgrade your art skill all around, I have these beginner art lessons here on my Skillshare. So the idea with this is that some people that, you know, for example, on YouTube, people just kind of want to draw what's in the video and just generally have a fun time. They're not always concerned about the little details and stuff about learning how to do this stuff, you know, long term. And I get that. That's fun. But for some people want to upgrade their art ability entirely, like all around, like they're serious about it. If that's you, go here. Like I said, there's programs here on even some of the same material. Like I said, it's just a lot more in depth. My eye drawing program is an hour, as opposed to the video I have on YouTube, which is like 10 minutes, right? You can still learn from both, but like I said, if you really want more and you really want to make this part of your life, go here. I have same thing over here, how to draw a dragon head. I have anime, I have cartoons. There's categories for everything, and everything is for beginners. The other thing about this website is it's incredibly easy to watch it. This is like the Netflix of like drawing lessons, so you can go through the entire site, see everybody else's lessons. And normally the site costs like 30 to 40 bucks a month. Because you're watching this video right now, if you're still watching right now, you get it for free for at least a month, like 30 days. That's a lot. But just what you have to do is go over here to the video, go down, first link in the description, the very, very first link that gives you free access to this whole thing for 30 days. You just go over here, you click this thing, boom, and then you sign up. And it's super easy. And the cool part is you can just straight up cancel it before the 30 days is up, and you never pay a single thing. You never pay a cent, and you got all this learning from it. But yeah, like I said, that's an option for you guys.
If you guys want to do it, absolutely go hit that up. And that's it.